everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Rainbows and Butterflies. Today we're going to learn how to crochet this lavender flower. Now before we get started, if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to never miss a crochet tutorial. Now for this tutorial I'm using crochet hook 2.5 millimeters. You can use any crochet yarn, but for this project I have used crochet 4-ply cotton yarn. You will also need the craft wire that's used to make flowers, and you may need some glue to stick the flower on the wire. So let's get started. We begin with a slip knot, and once you have a slip knot, you need to make a chain of 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And continue till you have a chain of 80 stitches. I've completed the chain of 80 stitches. Now we're going to start the row. Now in the second stitch from the hook, we are not going to count the one that's on your hook. So this is 1 and 2. In the second stitch, you need to work 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. In the next stitch, you work 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. And in the same stitch, you need to work a slip stitch. After you work your slip stitch, in the next stitch you need to work a slip stitch again. And now you chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you need to work a slip stitch in the same stitch. And now you work a slip stitch in the next stitch. Again chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And work a slip stitch in the same stitch. You need to continue with this pattern. Slip stitch in the next stitch. Chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and slip stitch in the same stitch. And now you need to continue working this pattern till you reach the end of the chain. After you complete your row, you need to chain 1 and cut your yarn. Now this is what your row will look like. Now we're going to start working the leaves. For that, you start with a slip knot. Once you have your slip knot, you need to chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now in the second chain from your hook, right here, we're not counting the one that's on your hook. So that's 1 and 2. Second chain, you work 1 double crochet. Now you need to work 1 double crochet in the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now you're left with 2 stitches. In the next stitch you need to work a half double crochet. Now for that you need to yarn over once, insert your hook into that stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all the loops. That's your half double crochet. Now in the last stitch, you need to work a single crochet. Now we're going to continue making the next leaf. So for that you chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. In the second chain from your hook, you work a double crochet. Now you work one double crochet in the next 5 stitches. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the next stitch you work a half double crochet like we did in the previous leaf. You need to yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. And in the next stitch you work a single crochet. Now for the next leaf, you chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now it's the same pattern, so in the second chain from your hook, you work a double crochet. 1 double crochet in the next 5 stitches. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the next stitch, a half double crochet, and in the next stitch, a single crochet. And now you need to chain 1 and cut your yarn. Now we're going to assemble this together. So we're going to start right here where you have your 3 double crochets in one stitch, the first 2 stitches with 3 double crochets. I'm going to start right there. You can use some glue to stick this, and you need to keep turning it around to stick. Now you can tie this end right here. And cut your yarn. And now we're going to attach the leaf. I just need to turn it around. And tie them. You can use glue as well to stick them to the stick. We've completed working the lavender flower. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.